All right, guys, quick tip here for you. When you're inside of drawings, especially when you're the admin, sometimes it's really helpful to come in and take a look at your templates and see where properties are coming from. You can do this by just like kind of clicking on a file and like or a note and hovering over it. However, if there's a bunch of these, it might be helpful to see them all. Um, in my case, I've assigned a hotkey. I could do Shift T to turn these on. But where the setting is up in View, and we would go to Hide Show, and it's right here, Annotation Text Expression. So if you wanted to assign that to a hotkey like I do, you just come up here and do Customize, and then go to Keyboard, and then you could do Annotation Text Expression. So I did Shift T here. So hopefully that helps you guys, especially you CAD admins. It can be really, really helpful. All right, have a good one.